The job description of the featured back has certainly changed in recent years. Running backs are expected to provide offensive production as runners and receivers in today's NFL. When I look at the 2013 class of running backs, I believe Giovanni Bernard is the most explosive all-around back in the draft. The North Carolina standout averaged nearly 200 all-purpose yards per game in 2012, displaying exceptional quickness and burst with the ball in his hands. Bernard's combination of vision and quickness and toughness helped him become the first UNC running back with consecutive 1,000-yard seasons since Natrone Means did it in 1991. Measuring 5'8", 208 pounds with 4.53 speed, I compare Bernard to a young LeSean McCoy. Although Shady is a tad taller, both are explosive playmakers with the ball in their hands. McCoy earned Pro Bowl honors following the 2011 season when he tallied 20 total touchdowns and proved the naysayers he could become one of the top NFL running backs in Philadelphia. Those are certainly lofty expectations for Bernard to reach, but his combination of quickness, elusiveness, and versatility leads me to believe that he has the potential to be great in the National Football League.